most lay people would find it absolutely bizarre that a third-party account of a very intimate conversation that had taken place after the fact could be presented in evidence at all, never mind in a manner that would be used against the person who had sought counselling in the first place. My question to Ms Behen is, you have mentioned that had you known that this would have been potentially used as evidence by a defendant in a trial, that you would have been at least reluctant, if not absolutely refusing to attend counselling in the first place. From your own experience dealing with, in your own case and with other victims, what would it have meant had something like this been a factor in deciding not to attend therapy? In other words, what would the impact on victims be if they didn't see therapy as an option?
I'm going to be honest, I wouldn't be here today if I hadn't have went to counselling and therapy, and I don't say that lightly, and I don't say it for shock value. That's the truth. Following the unthinkable, a person is no longer exists. The Hazel I was before, she wasn't there anymore. So therapy for me was about getting to know this new person that I became, figuring out life after that. 99% of the conversations I had with my therapist during our sessions don't concentrate on what happened. It's navigating life after what happened. It's maybe navigating through normal everyday things that unfortunately seem more difficult when you're going through dealing with such trauma. So really, while my therapist knew what happened to me, and it certainly was something that I discussed, the majority of our sessions concentrate on the after, not on the then and what happened then. If I didn't have that, I can confidently say I would not be here today, without a doubt.
Okay, well, I think that's stark.